Alright, so the Solar Goat made a post. If you don't follow him, he's a Solar Goat, just look it up online. What kind of connections does everybody use when we're installing rail-mounted or roof-mounted jboxes to ensure secure connections? And as somebody who runs a solar energy company, I wanted to throw in my 2 cents because I want to help people build their solar business as well, and I want to help homeowners kind of understand what's going on, why guys make certain decisions. So a lot of guys use wire nuts, right? But these wire nuts, the reason that they use them is because they're cheap, super easy. Lower materials cost equals a higher margin for the contractors or the solar company that's putting in the solar energy system. But what we ended up finding out is if we use terminal blocks or we use wire nuts or any of those other methods, in about 2 years we have a maintenance service call, which is super duper expensive. The number one thing that's gonna make a solar company fold is if the engineering teams build systems that have a lot of maintenance and service calls, and it just exposes the homeowner to unnecessary risk. Remember, we're building these things for 25 years, and in New England, right, we get crazy weather. Solar Goat, he's over in Utah, he gets crazy weather too. This stuff needs to survive all the changes in seasons, all the different temperature changes, all the different things involved with living in this region while still delivering a stellar product to people. So I wanted to show you what we use. So I'm gonna pop into my pack out. I always kind of keep the reliable stuff in our pack out here. What I like to use are these Polaris connectors. These guys right here. They're a little bit better than terminal blocks because I don't see the same failure rates that I see with the terminal blocks, which also sit me in that 1 to 2 year. Like maybe these wire nuts, I shouldn't even have them in my pack out. But these are wire nuts if you don't know what a wire nut is. And these things fail. Even if they're the watertight, expensive wire nuts, they fail. Terminal blocks, they also fail, and they take a bunch of time, extra equipment inside this J-box that needs to get put in. Not a lot, right? But it's just a little bit extra work. These Polaris connectors, now, if you go to like an electrical wholesaler or something like that, they're gonna run like 30, 40 bucks, something like that, which is a little expensive for a connection, but it's watertight, it's UV resistant, it's completely sealed, and it makes it where a solar energy system doesn't fail. And when it doesn't fail, we end up having happy customers and happy homeowners that are offsetting their energy bills, which is what we're in this industry to do. So I wanted to kind of make this video, make a little response video to what Solar Goat was asking. What kind of connections do we use up top? We use Polaris connectors all the way through. I'm Team Polaris. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys haven't followed Solar Goat, he's an awesome guy. Recommend you give him a follow. This is Greg with Harvey Woods. Hope everybody's having a great day. Stay shining.
Tonight's report, it feels good.